Oh, I don't even know where to start, but I guess I'm gonna start in my room and work my fucking way out. Oh, man. I'm not fucking stressed out. One of them days, dog. One of them fucking days. What you gonna do? What are you gonna do? It's like 90 today. We got no AC in this bitch, so windows open. Figure it out. It's a perfect song for right now. Thoughts been running wild. Motherfucker pissed on my bed. Bruh. Look on. Know what I'm saying? Sweet. Fucking. We'll figure this shit out. Real rap, real shit. My little school. We gonna figure it the fuck out, right? That's the only way. Look, 12 o'clock. I already went to the gym, ate breakfast. What up? Ate it after motherfucking gym snack. Cause I gotta get my weight back up. I'm fucking up. Life is fucked up. But it's like a fun fucked up. You know what I'm saying? People are like, oh, you should work on having a wife and kids and all this shit. You good with kids and you said nothing. No, fuck you. Y'all motherfuckers look miserable. I'm trying to get rich. My mom need a new house with AC in that motherfucker. Oh, I gotta get this shit. You know what I'm saying? I need AC in my shit. I'm kind of used to it now, but I need the. So it's really not that bad. So no haircut. I'm about to just not shave the face. Nah, I'm lying. I'm gonna shave. I need a haircut. Look, motherfuckers be doing all this shit. That's one thing. Shit make me mad. People be like, oh, you gotta do this, this, and that to get some girls. Bro, if you just don't try at all, you will get more bitches than... Bitches are dumb. They're fucking dumb. If you don't like them, like, leave me alone, I want to be your friend, they're like, let me see your dick. Whoa. Bitch, I thought we was friends. I'll be looking out the windows all the time because fucking my dogs like to jump the fence and go play with everyone else's dog. And I can't have them running and trying to kill that little baby coyote. Even though I wish they could, them bitches got mange, so it's just another thing I gotta fucking deal with. I need to change this fucking stomach thing. That shit'll have you mad at everybody. Listen to all the young boys' aggressive music. Hell no. You just be trying to start some beefs. You think I got my clothes out? Oh no. Look, I don't have much. But whatever I do have, my dogs will fuck it up for me. I'm a down the way, down the street, miles and miles and miles. Look at all this food, like, waste. I should make them fucking eat it. I'm about to go give it to the coyotes. I'm going through hell. Oh, down there's fucking ants. We cool. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna get right regardless. This shit make you want to smoke some fucking weed. All my decisions, all your decisions in life brought you to where you are right now. And mine have obviously been bad. Not bad, I wouldn't say that. I live a dope ass life. I did. Yeah, I guess I did. I live a cool ass life. I did some cool shit. But right now, it's not that cool. Cause I'm not down my way. Look at this. Look at this. A poor dog in Qatar would eat this shit right now. Shit got ants on it and everything. No, sir. Fuck is this? Cool. Gotta do laundry too. This is sweat. You gotta sweep the kitchen. Sweep. Fucking mop. Might as well do the bathroom while I'm here. Gotta do the dishes. Plates. Make a mess. Drink don't need no mix. What the fuck is this? I'm trying to get fed, but this ain't gonna do shit. The drink don't need no mix. I need more than this. I'm trying to get you put these little beds out for them, and they're like, nah, we're getting in your bed. Fucking it up.
Trying to see why this room is stand still. Everyone wants to survive like a stand still. I don't know, but this drug got me split. Turned up every day, you can tell
It's whatever. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's whatever. Figure it out. Figure it out. What the fuck is this? I'm trying to get fed, man. This ain't gonna do shit. The drink don't need no mix. I need more than this. I'm trying to get fed, man. This ain't gonna do shit. The drink don't need no mix. No. The drink don't need no mix. Strong ass thing. Way too deep. That's hard to believe. I don't really know all the words. You've ever seen. I'm fire. Gotta do this. I'm a liar. That would believe. On the console, so I'm using fucking Dawn dish hook. It is what it is. Figure it out. What you gonna do? Figure it out. Where the dogs at? Sprinting around, 100 miles an hour. Cool me out. That's how I feel. You ever feel like that? And then I'll show you the rest of this crib, because look at this. You see this? Look, I got motherfucking... Got a big ass family. I got a big ass group of people related to me. You know what I'm saying? Not really a family. I wouldn't even call it that. It'd be me and my dad and my little sister, Allison. But even her, she don't really come around. We just, you know what I'm saying? Talk. My sister Jackie, cool. But different dad, so. It's not blues. Oh my God, I'm getting angry. Okay. Hey, free Tory. Bitches ain't shit. It's like, nah, I ain't gonna say that. I have some cool ass bitches in my life. Come here, B4. Yeah, I got some cool bitches. But everyone else's bitches is whack. You know what I'm saying? They be bitching. Bitches be bitching. So. But I also met some bitch ass men. I know a lot of soft ass motherfuckers, like men. They be, oh, they get it. Hey, my girl said fucking, I'm not allowed out. Bitch, drop your dick. Shut the fuck up. There's 100 billion bitches on the planet. You're gonna find 3 or 4 of them that like you, love you. Like, I could love all 3 of my dogs, you know what I'm saying? I love them all. Why can't I love 3 different people? I love my dad, I love my mom, I love my sister. But I only can love one bitch at a time. Don't come my way, that it don't come my way. That's probably why. I am the nicest asshole you'll ever meet, probably. Does it make sense? No. It's not supposed to. It's not supposed to make sense. Just check on the dog. Cool. Still sitting there. And for real, it'd be all the friends that they ain't gonna watch my shit anyway, so I could talk as much shit as I want. You know what I'm saying? So it'd be all it's all my friends that don't want to go home, can't do shit when they're home. Their girl's always bitching at them. Oh damn, they'd be like, bro, get a girlfriend so you can come home to a home cooked meal. I'll cook my own shit. You know what I'm saying? My dogs stress me out enough. I don't need no one else to fucking stress me out. Oh. Met you in the first place. Where's my phone? Alright, cool. Rest in peace, Morgan. I got a lot of them little cards. You get used to it. Motherfucker's gonna die. It's fucked up to say it like that, but you know what I'm saying? Look at his fucking badass. I don't know if you can see him, but maybe I could edit it. It's like he's looking right at me. About to do some bad shit. The girls ain't bad. I swear to goodness. They're awesome. Him, I'm ready to fucking chop his nuts off. Like, I can't do it though. I don't got the heart. I would be pissed. I can't have no trans dogs. So. This shit just keeps playing fucking Young Boy. Like, yeah, I like him and all, but Man. You got a lot of nerve. Mess up by myself. Bitch, I couldn't tell. Type shit. Nothing. I don't really listen to country, but I've been trying. So, send me some shit. I like Post Malone. He's not really country. Morgan Wallen is like a hybrid. I like one song with Bailey Zimmerman. It's like, yeah, make the dream work, bitch. Whoa. I think country singers I think country singers should curse more. I'm sorry, like I was in the army for a long time. I like to curse. I curse around kids. I curse around grandmoms. Fucking deal with it. Like, it's a word. It's in the dictionary. Curse word, fucking. I don't get it. I don't. I had some help. Yeah, even see, look, I had some help fucking up. See, I don't need that. I can fuck this shit up by myself. You know what I'm saying? Why do you need help fucking up? I don't need help. I'm fucking good at it. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Oh shit. I'm a pro at it. I can take perfectly good, my life could be going great. Good girl, job, money. Excuse me. I don't even know if that was really burp. I can take a real cool, I could take a real good situation, right? Be doing good, be in the military, all that shit, be on my shit, and nah, that's not. I need chaos. I need to be doing something different every day. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's ADD. Maybe I should be on fucking Adderall, fucking but I'm not. So unless we're going to the club, something, I don't know. Is it my fault? Yeah, dog. It hurt me before. And for some reason, I'm real good at getting bad bitches. But I don't get it. Look, I don't do my hair. I don't match my clothes. You know what I'm saying? Fucking look at this. I shave my face like 1 to 4 business days. I drive a nice car. But bro, trust me. One day you can ask or I'll find out. I don't compliment girls at all. Nothing. I don't call bitches babe, baby. Nothing. But like I said before, bitches ain't shit. You tell them, yo, bitch, they're gonna be like, oh my God, he's so nice to me. I can fix him. You can't fix me, bitch, because I'm not broke. I'm up. Psych. So, alright, let's go into my crazy fucking voodoo basement. That's not weird. Oh, it gets weirder. Watch this shit. Almost positive. There's a ghost in here. Cause shit be moved around. And I only come down here like once a week. If that, once every other week, like to do laundry. Like, why would that be there? Why is Buddha looking at us? Why is shit knocked over? What is all this shit? I don't know. So, my washer didn't. Washer's not working. Fix the washer. Boom. Check me out. Yeah, it's creepy. It's definitely creepy. I live here, Dolo. It's like a 4-bed-ish fucking whatever. Check me out. You wanna go look at some shit with me? Let's look at some shit. Cause if I die, it's on it's pretty good. It's on video, unless the ghost can ha! This isn't mine though, this was my sister. They all joined after me because I'm fucking way cooler than them. Like, look at this. This is cool. What is it? A little grape jar or something? Little Welch's? Mexican grizzly bear. Fucking speaks Spanish. I didn't even know bears spoke Spanish. See? Look, dragon tails. I got fucking Beanie Babies. What's up? Whatever you need, I got it. If you want it, let me know. I'll fucking send it over to you. I'm going back upstairs. So, always look behind me. You ever seen the movie? Right before you shut the door, the bitch come up like, let me suck your dick, pretty boy. That shit always got, I don't know why. That's scarier than any other movie I ever seen. Not even scarier, but gives me the chills. So, boom. I gotta do dishes. Fuck, this is a wreck. This is all wet. Shake the dogs. They're black as hell, so you can't see them. Where you at? Oh shit, what's up? What the fuck y'all doing? What's up? Hey, yo. Probably doing bad shit. Leave me alone. Over at my dad's crib, he just be having bitches like work for him, cutting grass, fucking doing shit. So, but they always be texting me. Can you give me this? Can you give me that? Just leave me alone. Damn. Boy, little pain. Fuck. ABA, you leave me alone. Leave me alone. My boy Shane texted me. That's my dog. Ride or die. If I'm going to jail, that motherfucker already there probably. You know what I'm saying? Or he's in the car behind me. That's how it be. I'm about to call. I don't know if I should record it, but let's see. Oh, I didn't even stop my music. There's nothing in your feature. Let me this on. Let's see what the fuck we doing. Oh my god, man. This is at my dad's crib. Yo, what you doing? Oh, hold on. I got you. Can you hear me now?
Hold on.
I'm taking YouTube videos.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah. What are you videos?
I'm just doing random shit, to be honest. My dogs fucked the crib up after I got back from the gym, so some good shit. They're making content for me, man. They're fucking awesome. You know what I'm saying? And I ran up on the coyote. They're trying to keep me busy. What you doing?
Just ran to pizza back to more drywall.
You're done drywall already?
Yeah, I had to go grab a couple more things.
Oh, alright.
I got like 2 more walls to do.
Yeah, fucking Patty literally just texted me.
Yeah.
Hey, can you come fix the toilet?
No.
And then
Dad said no.
and
Dad
then-
said don't fix the toilet.
and then the other one said, can you stop at Dollar General for me on your way here? I'm like, I'm not even coming. Like, who said I was coming?
Yeah, she texted me earlier this morning, like, are you still coming here to take me to the clinic? I was like, I never said I was taking you to the clinic.
To the clinic? What, methadone? What clinic is she going to?
There's my Walmart where Morgan used to go.
What, for methadone?
Yeah.
What the fuck is she on methadone for? Oh my. She used to get down?
Yeah.
I'm about to cut all this from the video. Dang. No bueno, man.
I already looked at the clinic a couple times. She gets on 10 or some shit. The other day she went there, I told her, I said, you need to fucking lower that methadone shit. So I guess she had asked them to lower it, but she has to talk to her counselor, so they only gave her 3 bottles to come back in whatever days or whatever. I don't know what it's for.
They need to go, man.
She asked me to take her last night, and I was like, yo, you keep acting like nothing has ever happened. Like,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want me to just keep doing for you and doing for you. Like, you can't do the one thing that I asked you to do, so I'm not, like, I'm not playing those games. I said, so you want me to get up an hour early to come take you to the methadone clinic when you can't even do one thing that I
Yeah, facts. Nah, see, bitches ain't shit, though.
I wanted to be ignorant and tell her, like, you found a way out in the middle of the night the other night. Why the you can't find a way out the other day?
Yeah, yeah.
But I didn't even say anything to her because I don't want to be like, okay.
Yeah, you don't even gotta go there. It's not even worth it. You're just wasting breath at that time.
Yep.
Cause she's gonna wake up and it's gonna be a brand new day. She's not even gonna remember.
Yes. I think I'm going to the bar tonight.
The bar tonight?
Yeah.
With who? Pat?
Kyle hit me up and said he wanted to go to the bar.
Oh yeah. I wonder what bar.
I don't know. He was just like, whatever. He said he's going to Atlantic City tomorrow or something. He was like, he messaged me the other day, like, yo, if you ever want to go out, like, I really like to fucking have somebody to go out to the bar with and shit. I guess, I don't know what, him and Amanda broke up, I guess.
Dude, I have no clue. That's a fucking shit show itself.
Yeah, so I think him and Amanda broke up and he moved out and he was like, you know, if you ever want to go out to the bar, I was like, nigga, let's go now. And he was like, oh, I got work in the morning, blah, 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 but we can go Friday. Like, all right, nigga, call me on Friday when you get done work.
So where's he live now?
I don't know.
Oh shit. No bueno. Yeah, no, I ain't doing shit. I'm fucking just business and shit.
Alright, we're seeing what we got. What we got going here now.
What, you just got back to the job site?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, hit me when you get done.
Alright, well.
Alright, yeah. See? Just leave me alone. Oh, spraying this shit. Oh, dang. Dang. I don't know if it's anyone else, but I hate washing silverware. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why. I just don't like doing it. Where y'all at? Danos. Good job. See, they want to come inside. Man. What's up? It's hot? Yeah, it's fucking hot. Get some color. Good night. All right. So, don't know what I was talking about before that, but like I said, bitches ain't shit, dog. Bitches ain't shit. I need one of them OnlyFans bitches that is just getting it done. They be fucking on their shit. No, I'm just kidding. I'm talking shit. My last couple bitches was cool. I broke up with my bitches because they're too good. You can't have a girl do better than you, right? Oh shit. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Can't have it. I'm like Vegeta. Nah. I think I'm sweating, or there's like a fly on my leg. I don't know. Boom, done. Oops. So, get some sweat. I got work tonight, so I'm not going nowhere. Yeah, no one. Random thought. No one. Look. I know you know this shit. You think Drake or Kendrick's tough, right? Listen. No fear. If you know this song, then you know. If you know, you know. Even though Meek lost, I think, to Drake, I was riding with him, but we took the L. He cracked Kendrick out the fucking park. What's up? Come on. Y'all hot? Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, good job. All dirty and shit. Come on. Go, motherfucker. Come on. Why are you stopping? Bleeding on your head. Can't have nothing nice with y'all. So, I'm gonna pick up some koi fish. What's up, mamas? Saturday, tomorrow. I gotta fill the pond up. Bro, you listen, Meek was different. The Meek y'all know now, the Meek y'all know and the Meek I know is different. Shitted on. And Repo? Dog. Dog. Alright, so do you believe it? I guess I'm gonna wait till my wash is done. I guess I'll make my bed. So fucked up. This is dirty because my stupid ass dog. And I got blankets on my windows because I'm shift work. So I go to bed at like 5 to 7 p.m. and wake up at midnight or 11:30. Definitely not optimal sleep, but it's good enough. So I need to get blackout curtains. For real. And I'll just have this one up because I have this bitch ass window thing from 1904. So it don't really get cold unless I block that doorway off and then I'll hold it down. That shit don't do right. Cool. Alright. So I guess I'm gonna end this shit. I don't like to smell jar shit. I'm gonna maybe I'll go get a car wash. I'll figure it out. I'll start again in a little bit. What time is it? 44-minute video. Word. 12:40. Let's get it. Alright. TBC.